So now we have already done Prim's algorithm. I hope you have watched that video, Prim's algorithm, to find minimum MST, minimum spanning tree. So now next algorithm to find minimum spanning tree is Kruskal. Okay, so either use this or that, you'll always get the same answer. The weight, I mean the weight, minimum weight, you will get the same answer only. So in questions, there are different kind of questions are asked, so this is very important. I will do all the questions in like greedy PYQs we will do, but for now let's see this. Okay, so this is just I have written it in simple language. Then we will do an example, the previous one only, that previous we did, and we will see how this is different but giving the same answer. So now Kruskal algorithm, sort the age weights in ascending order. So we have this graph and we have to sort the age weights in ascending order. Select the lowest cost age from the list and remove this age from the list and add this age to the add I think this is add this age to the tree. So the first list weight will be taken, and so this is not arbitrary. Okay, so the Prims we are taking arbitrary, but here we are taking the least cost age and we are adding in the graph, the minimum spanning tree graph. If the addition results create cyclic path, see we have to check again that if it is not creating a cyclic path, then only we can add that that age in our spanning tree. But if it is creating a cyclic path, we have to discard that age. Okay, so and then discard this age from creating spanning tree. So like this we have to continue for all the like it will be an array, sorted in ascending order array. So this we will continue and stop when all the vertices have been added to the tree without creating cyclic path. So after all the vertices are added, but we have to keep in mind it every time that we are not creating any cyclic path. So this is basic algorithm. So this is very easy. So Prim's and Kruskal is very easy. So questions are asked. Okay, so there are one type of question which is very asked that I will do. Okay, so like how many type of Kruskal, like 2 into 2, like I don't remember the exact question, but these questions are asked. I will do in PYQs. Okay, PYQ section I will do, but for now let's see Kruskal algorithm, how it is working. Let's take the previous example and let's check how this is different from Prim's, and we will still get the same answer. So now let's go to the example. So now this is our previous graph only. Okay, so let's see how Kruskal algorithm is working. So an important point is that maybe we don't care about it, but it's very important. See, when copying the graph from our question, so question will be in our computer screen. Okay, so we will be given a scribble pad like this, a scribble pad. How maybe you use like this or this, whatever. So please copy the graph carefully. Okay, if you copy the graph wrong, so you will get that will be a blunder. Okay, even if you know the question. See, I did all those mistakes, so that's why I am telling you not to do them, not to repeat them, any of them. So now this is our previous graph only. Okay, so now first thing we have to sort this age weights according to in ascending order. So ascending order, so first let's say take an array kind of thing. So now the first is 1 is the least one, so 1. So 1 is between A and B, so write that also, A and B. So I do this. Okay, I write that also, because when adding, so we have to check 1, then 1 we have to check again in this. So this graph is smaller. If it is a big graph is given, so you have to find which one is like where in this age weight 1 is present where. So I write this. Okay, I write like this. Okay, you may not write this, and you can find it in the graph. So it's up to you. Okay, so now next is 2 is present between DF, then 3 is present AC, so 3 done. 4 is present between AD, then 4 is done. 5 is present between B and C, then 5 is done. 6 is present between C and F. Okay, Then 7 is present between C and E. 7 is done. Then 8 is present between B and E. 8 is done. Then nothing. 9 is not present. 10 C and D. C and D. So now this is sorted. Now let's do the Kruskal algorithm. This is what string is sorted. Now take the, let's say, A, B, C. No, this is D actually. This is C, this is E, and this is F. Okay. So now let's take the first one. So the first one is 1. So 1 will be taken, A, B. So how, see how it is easy, just AB, you have already seen this is AB, just put a H there. Okay, so AB, so 1 plus, so in weight will be like 1 plus. Okay, so now this is done, this is 1, put it here. So now 2 is present here, the 2 is present between D and F. 2, so 2 is done. Then 3 is present between A and C. 3 is present between A and C. See here, no nothing is forming any cycle, so we can go on. Okay, so now next is 4 is present between A and D. No, it is not forming any circle, cycle, not circle, cycle. So this is 4, we can take. 4 is done. Then 5 is present between B and C. See, this is forming a cycle. Okay, 1, 3 is already present. If we put this H, this will be a closed cycle, so you cannot take this, so this is discarded. So now 6 is present between C and F. C and F, C and F. If we put this, it will become a cycle, so it is not taken, it is discarded. Then 7 is present between C and E. Okay, so C and E, it is present, so it is not forming any cycle. So now you can see that this is basically taking our this is our graph. Okay, so sorry, I missed here, that's why I was thinking that is why 7 is coming. So here another 3 is present. Okay, A, C and 3. He see here 3 is present and here 3 is present. So E and F. Okay, no, sorry for that, E and F. So we don't have to go till 7. Let's see. Okay, so just don't take this. Let's say we are going again. Okay, up till 3 is done. So 3. Next is 3, E and F. E and F, this 3 is taken. That's why I'm thinking that how it is going increasing. So now 3 is taken. See, I told you to do properly and I did mistake only. So now 3, so it's taken. So next is 4 is taken between A and D. No cycle is done, so this is 4 is added. So now next is 5 is B and C, not possible. Then 6 is C and F. 6 is C and F. Yes, it is possible. 6. Okay. So I just did another mistake. So 6 cannot be taken. So here 2 was there. I just removed 2. So 2 is there. Okay. So 2 is there. Let me do again. Okay. Let me do again. Recording. Yes, so let me do it again properly. Okay, so now first is 1 is present between A and B, so 1 is taken, so weight is 1 plus, so 1 is taken. 2 is present between D and F. 2 is present between D and F. 2 is taken. Then 3 is taken between A and C. This 3 is taken. Then again another 3 is present between E and F. This 3 is present, but this is not connected. A and D, this part is, or C and D is not connected. So next is 4 is A and D. So okay, nothing is forming cycle, and this is our minimum spanning tree, because we have reached a connected graph which is containing all the vertices. Okay, so now let's evaluate this. 4, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 4 plus this 3 plus 3, 6. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, 13. So in Prim's also we saw this is coming as 13. Okay, in Prim's also it was coming as 13. So sorry for the mistakes, maybe I was unconscious or something. So this is same. So obviously Prim's and Kruskal will give you the same result, but the approach is different. Okay, so now see, we will do more examples also. Don't have to take a worry about this. So now let's move on to time complexity. So now let's see time complexity. Okay, time complexity of Kruskal algorithm. So sorting edges will take E log E. Obviously the E edges are there. We are taking any stable sorting algorithm will give you E log E only. After sorting, we iterate through all the edges and apply this again union find algorithm, which is not, I think it's not in GATE syllabus, but anyways, algorithm. And the finding operation of the edges and union operation can take at most order of log v. So for E edges it will take order of E log v. So for E edges it will take order of E log v. I just wrote it down, same thing. So overall time complexity will be I think I have written something mistake. Let me correct it. So I just wrote it same thing twice. I think the finding operation will take at most. So for anyways, so it was E log E and this is E log V. Okay, so the addition of these two, so the value of E can be at most. So order of log V is equals to order of log E. So both, since this is coming down to as this, so our order is time complexity is order of E log V, same as our Prim's only. So order of E log V is our time complexity. So if you want, I can take another example. I thought of taking another example, but then see, we will do PYQs only. So I need to finish this Dijkstra, then Bellman, Ford and DAG, I think. So these are also there. So I thought of finishing this because I will do PYQs in extensive way. So then we will see lot of Prim's and Kruskal questions. So if you still have any problem, so you can mail me anyways. So my mail ID is bojsteshna135@gmail.com. okay, so this is my mail ID. You can mail me. So don't leave me a text anywhere, so please mail me. So this is it. So if you love watching my videos, so please like and share with your friends who are preparing or anything, and subscribe. Please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so even if very few people are watching now, or even no one is watching now, I hope someday someone will watch. So I am putting my heart and everything, hard work to these videos. Soon my college will start. I'll want to 1 or 2 months after college will start, so I think I will not get enough time to make videos. So IITs, they have, I heard they are extreme, like you have to work hard, because I am from a private college. I don't know anything about IITs. So I heard that they are tough. They have to coursework is tough and all. So I have my own aspirations of doing something. I will share with everything in another video, but for now, that if someone is watching, or after like someday, 2 years later someone is watching, so for like this, so 2 years later, so if someone is watching, and if you have any problem now, you can always mail me. I will add another example also. Okay, so now see you in next video.